Alright, we got the Parkzone P-51 out. Winds are 38 kilometers an hour. Around, I'd say 25, 26 miles an hour. Probably the strongest this has ever flown in. So I'm going to give it a shot. Got the tactic drone view on the tail. I'm going to try to fly it in this strong wind. Whoa! That was pretty sketchy. Wildcat was no problem. That's full speed. Look at that. That's crazy. Yeah, this one doesn't like the wind, the Wildcat does. Wildcat just loves the wind. Yeah, wind's just making it do whatever it wants. That's pretty crazy. Look, complete stop. There's the stall. Yeah, if Wildcat would have just hovered there. Yeah, can fly this one in the winds. It's not as yeah, the wind died down for a second there. Not as good as the Wildcat. There's only two I'm going to fly today. A D-flight Mustang, but it's a don't want to wreck it type of flight. And this one alright. That was alright landing. Alright, short video. Wind's too strong. I'm gonna go walk around that patch of trees over there, see if I can find a landing gear for V-17. Still haven't found it. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all good stuff. Ciao for now.